Okay guys, so there is good, and then there is OMG amazing, I'm never buying any other gym wear brand clothing ever again good. I honestly, I can't deal with it. It's so flippin' cute. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, I'm Chantel, so nice to meet you. So today we are doing a Stax haul, try on. I am going to show you guys some hella cute pieces that are staples, and I mean, we've got the tie-dye happening here. I think that this is my favorite collection I have ever seen in my life. So everything I got was an extra small, but I did get the oversized tee in a size small, and I will link everything in the description box. If you guys want to check it out, buy it, because how could you not buy it? It's adorable. So, best black tights ever. They were not joking about these bad boys, okay? I got the full length and the 7/8 ones. They had them on sale for $40 each. Oh my god, like $40. These are incredible. Like, the fabric is so soft. Like, I've never felt anything so soft in my life, and they are stretchy but not too stretchy. Like, they just fit perfect, and I'm never a size extra small in anything, so makes me feel good about myself that I'm an extra small. And I've always just felt with every other brand I'm either between a small and an extra small, and I could just never ever get the perfect fit. It'd always be too baggy around my waist and then too tight around my legs, and they were always just like that tad uncomfortable. I'd always have to pull them up. It's just really annoying. But with these ones, they fit perfectly. So if you are a size 8, I definitely think you should get the extra small, because like I said, they're just perfect. Like, just the right amount of stretch. They go right at the waist. I love it. They've got their Stax logo on the back, and then they also have a little logo here just saying passion over everything Stax. So freaking cute. Just got the normal black sports bra to go with it. This is also an extra small too, and they're just super comfortable, and I feel like everyone just needs a black crop top and leggings in their gym wear. It's a vibe. I also picked up a white sports bra. I don't have any white sports bras, and it just has a little mesh back detailing, and these are really supportive and super comfortable. I'm obsessed, and I love how it has just like this neckline. It's so cute, and it looks so good with a fresh tan. I am obsessed. I got this on sale for $20. 20 buckaroonies. So cheap. I also forgot to mention that with the black full length tights, they go to your ankle. They are so good, especially for the short girls out there like me. I'm pretty short, 162 centimeters I believe, and they just go to the perfect length. I will show you guys where they go, and they're just perfect, literally perfect. Okay, from the tie-dye collection, I just got the acid wash tee. They do have two. They've got the pink and the grey one. I got the grey because I am literally obsessed with this colour. And this t-shirt is something else. It's not just a t-shirt. It's beautiful. Like, I can't even express to you guys how pretty this is. So I did get a small because I like my tees to be oversized, and I think that this is perfect length. It covers the booty. Excuse me. Sorry. I love the acid wash. I love that they've got the logo here. And you could tie this up in a knot, wear it as a crop. You could wear this with like denim shorts. You don't have to have this like as your gym wear top. Like, I just think this is so cute, especially with like some black biker shorts. My kind of outfit. Cute, comfy. This t-shirt is just so soft. Like, I can't, like, it is 95% cotton and 5% spandex, so that is why it's so soft. And the last thing I got is the tie-dye. So this is my favorite. I can't deal with colors, the pastels, so pretty. But I did get the bike shorts and the crop top. They do also have the other color, which is like a bluey pink. I'll leave it on the screen right here. But I just love the greens and the blues and like the pastel pink. I just think it's so flippin' gorgeous. So the bike shorts are squat proof. I'll do a little test video for you guys. And yeah, like extra smalls fit me perfectly, and they are high-waisted, and this set matched with that oversized tee. So cute. That is going to be my go-to outfit for the gym. I'm just gonna wear the crap out of this set. I feel like this color too is just so flattering and girly, but like it's not too much. Like, you see those like colors where it's like bright pink and it just stands out, but because this is like washed out and like pastel, I just think it's so stunning. But anyway guys, if you enjoyed this little try on haul, let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more of these type of videos, and leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. But thank you so much for stopping by if you're new, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.